Hey, welcome to the channel. Here in the video, we are going to talk about Namecheap private email error. An unknown error occurred. Before we proceed, we want to let you know that we used AI for the voiceover and some graphics. However, all the information shared has been manually researched and is not AI generated. As per our research, the error comes when users try to write or send an email using Namecheap's private email service. According to our research, this isn't a common issue, and there is no specific reason mentioned for why it happens. It may vary from case to case. As the error may vary case to case, so we suggest reaching out to Namecheap private email support team. You can contact them via live chat or email them directly at pesupport@namecheap.com. They will investigate the issue in detail and help you resolve it. That's all for the video. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Have any questions or issues? Drop them in the comments below. Thank you.